Time for some Florida fun.
Away from the theme parks.
Hey, what's going on everybody? Rick and Nikki here.
Hello!
And today I'm going to do something I've been wanting to do for a long, long time. And that's to take my TST Defender e-bike to the beach. Let's go have a little ride. Before I hop on the bike, kind of thirsty, kind of hungry. Let's see, I just bought a few snacks, some crackers, some grapes. Ah, what is this? A special beach day deserves a special drink. Yeah. And the snack of choice right now is a Rick's cracker. Yeah,
Did
get
you
it?
say Rick's?
Yeah, instead of Ritz, a Rick's cracker. I have done a complete review of this Defender, but here's a few reminders as I test it out on all type of surfaces here at the beach. This is the TST Defender 26-inch fat tire e-bike. Gear levels 1 through 5. Speed ranges from 0 to 28 miles per hour, although the speed limit here at the beach is 10. The motor is a 1300 watt rear wheel drive motor. The max capacity of this bike is 500 pounds, including the rider. It takes about 4 or 5 hours to fully charge this bike. It has a 48 volt battery. The TST Defender has a 65 mile range capacity on a single charge. Please note that will vary. Depends on the type of surface you're riding on, how big or small the rider is, variables like that. Fueled up with crackers and Fanta, let's mount the GoPro to give you some GoPro shots. And with that, I think we're ready to roll. This is the beach I went to the most as a teenager. Didn't usually hang out by the jetty, but we're gonna head that way now. As we get closer to the jetty, this is where all of the local surfers hang out. This is kind of the surf station of New Smyrna Beach. I don't know if you can see them. They're out there, but there's tons and tons of surfers today. And we've made it to the jetty. Several people out there fishing. We've got a boat coming in. And then, can you make it out? There is a red lighthouse that way. I did a video on that on my road trip channel, Rick's Road Trips. Ponce Inlet Lighthouse. I'll leave a link to it. Not just fishermen out on the rocks. Some wildlife. And just past that way is Dog Beach. I've done videos there too. You know what? I think I'll take my bike that way. We're on the Dog Beach side now, a little closer to that lighthouse. Maybe I'll just zoom in editing too. We were here at Dog Beach one time.
Yeah.
And I don't know if you remember this, Nikki. Winnie and I, Winnie's our dog, we were swimming in this little inlet here, and a manatee swam right by us.
It was huge too. I remember it. And like neither one of you were just like,
yeah,
like fazed by it. It was just like, oh, okay, hi.
Yeah, that was an amazing experience here.
Yeah, it's very cool. The only thing about this area too is that it can have manatee, but it also can have alligators. There has been alligators spotted here too. Not very often, but every so often there might be one.
Don't say that too loud.
But this is a great place for dogs. I swear, it is the sweetest, quietest little beach. Now, it is quite a hike from the parking
Yes.
to get here. And in fact, what we'll do is we'll leave a link to that video.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you guys can check it out.
We'll head back now. These guys caught a shark. They're measuring it right now. Oh, yeah. It's not happy. And it looks like that one is small. It has to go back in. Oh, and she's free. She's out. How many inches was that? How many inches was that one? 58 inches? 58 incher.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Don't see that every day, do you, Nikki?
Yeah.
Well, don't worry. The shark is safe back in the water now.
Hey, I was happy he put it back for sure.
So we've just been spending some time wading in the water. Have you seen that shark that was released swim by?
No, he's going the opposite direction.
Oh, and only
He's swimming that way.
And only that direction.
Only that direction.
That one shark.
Yes.
Okay.
So we're totally safe.
But now that we've waded around in the water a little bit, we're getting a little hungry.
Yeah.
Let's bike on to Flagler Avenue and get some food.
Oh, we're gonna bike?
Yeah, bike.
I didn't know we were doing that. Okay.
Well, it's a little far to walk, I think.
It is. Or, well, take the Jeep.
No.
Since we're here, let's use the bikes.
We've made it to Flagler Avenue. Plenty of dining spots to choose from. Ooh, this car. There's breakers right off the beach. And plenty of stuff down that way. And then there's this place here. I don't know the name of it, but I eat here almost every time I'm here. Nikki got the taco salad for $7.99 with the works, including sour cream and salsa. I went with the lobster roll for $18.99, but no tomato for me. All done with our little lunch at Treats on the Beach.
That's the name.
That's the name of it. My lobster roll was pretty good.
That was good.
Lots of lobster meat. Enough to give you some.
Yep, gave me a couple bites. That was good.
Pretty good stuff.
Yeah. Mine was like nachos with a little bit of lettuce, which is the opposite of salad. So
Yeah.
it's okay. I'm not hungry anymore, so
True.
it did its job.
Yes. Probably a better spot for ice cream and milkshakes.
I would say so.
One of the benefits of having a beach you can drive on is cruising down the beach. One of my favorite things as a teenager. Let's do some now.